So here we are at Sebastiani Winery, where we're going to talk about our 2006 Carnero Chardonnay. I'm here with Mark Lyon, the head of winemaking, who's going to take us through the winemaking process for this wine.
And welcome all to Sebastiani Vineyards. And let's start from the beginning of when the actual Chardonnay grapes come into the winery and what unique and special ways we have to handle the fruit as gently as possible. So please follow me to the Crushpad. And here's where the Chardonnay grapes come in, usually on 2-ton bins. And what happens is this crate up here, we'll just merely hoist them directly into the hopper here. And this is the latest in state-of-the-art and gentle handling of the Chardonnay fruit. And I'm a really big believer in whole cluster pressing and having little bruising or shearing or breaking of the skin as it delivers into the tank press delivery. Very similar to how champagne's made, the same philosophy in many ways. Here you can see the hopper has this very enlarged auger, and that is enlarged so there's very little breakage of the whole clusters as it comes up and is delivered up this chute to the belts, which will take it directly to the tank press without injury and without harm.
Is this standard industry standard size, or was this customized to suit you?
This was customized. Also, this same system is used for delivering whole clusters to our crusher destemmer for the red fruit, so that again we can have this very gentle handling of the fruit as opposed to doing it through pumps or other more mechanical means which would beat up the stems and the seeds in the process. As you can see, the Chardonnay clusters are coming up the belt from the crush pads. Again, with the belt system, very gently handling, no pumping, no breakage of the cluster itself. And it comes over and flops right onto another belt. And here, this belt is where we get to choose which tank press to put it in. But again, you can see that the whole clusters of Chardonnay will fall gently into the tank press, a very similar system to what you find with some of these champagne houses, where it's really important in their production to not have the whole clusters broken up or torn or pumped. Again, this whole delivery system is not having any pumping going on to eliminate any breakage and have completely gentle handling of the cluster, which is really important for quality Chardonnay making. So anyway, it's in the press. And then the next cycle is going to be when it gets tank pressed, and then the juice flows into our tall settling jacket, which is what we'll be seeing now. But you can see with this winery, it's the state of art for handling small lot sizes, specializing with belt press for Chardonnay. And this is what's really made a great impact again on the our Chardonnay program, starting with the 2006 vintage. The hallmark being our Carnero Chardonnay.